Hey everyone, this is Michael Trithart, International Technology Instructor, and I want to let you know about a class that we have coming up on Monday, February 7th, Texas title Fort Worth. This is going to be a 3-hour long course. It's going to be 3 hours of TREC CE credit for those that are licensed in the state of Texas. But this class, Generate More Leads for Free, is a powerhouse. It's one of the most powerful sessions that I teach because it's hands-on lead generation activities for 3 hours. Records for this class: I had an $8.25 million buyer for one of my attendees in Austin, Texas. Took him 30 minutes to get that. I had another person get 60 lead. There's gonna be 60 listings in 1 hour for this session. I had another one get a lead in 2 seconds. This is a powerhouse class that you do not want to miss. And then after the session, coordinate with Clint at Fair Texas Title Fort Worth, because we're doing one-on-one sessions for a select of agents. You would just need to coordinate that with Clint to make sure that you get on the list. Sign up with the information below, and I will see you guys on February 7th. Thanks.